Let me introduce my project head, Subhash Kesi, Akshay and Meghna. We are from Amrita Institute of Engineering and Management Sciences, Bangalore. We have come up with a project, Metabot. Uh, Basically, this is a software which acts as an interface between both software, that is the database, and also the hardware. Okay. Now, just imagine yourself to be in a condition where you don't have any computers to keep track of your records and nothing like that, and everything should be a paperwork. So, what will you do when in a hospital, you are not only the patient who is suffering from diseases, there are lot many people who are suffering from various diseases, and you need many records for that. And not only you should keep track of all the records with you when it is in a paper, and even the doctor should maintain all the paperwork. So instead you can maintain an electronic record for that, which will be more easier for you and also for the doctor. The records cannot be misplaced when it is pirated. Now, we have developed a software which can act as an interface between both the database and also the electronic part, and we have used a tablet dispenser as the application. Now, let me brief you about the software which we have developed. The working of the robot will be as follows. The robot will locomote from one patient to another, traversing lines, and it will serve the patients to dispense the tablets. Now, the patient, when he shows a valid ID card, your details, only the basic details, and whatever you are diagnosed by the doctor will be shown on the front screen. And later, when the doctor is on spot with you, he'll diagnose the today's diagnosis, and whatever he is diagnosed today, it can be updated then and there itself. And the doctor will also be provided with a valid RFID tag. Here you can view the complete details of what you are and what you are suffering from. And there are various other controls like history, where you can view all your past history and medical records. And there's also provision for robot controls. Like turn on, turn off, and stop for a while when the doctor is conducting his diagnosis. There are other options in our software, like you can view the X-rays and ECGs and whatever you want, the CT scans. The thing will be
basically a robot locomotes on its wheels from one patient to another patient on a black line. Then when it detects the cross that it's nothing but a patient, the robot height of the robot increases and hence dispenses the tablet as per the database. This thing, and the applications will be explained by my friend.
The basic application of this robot will be that of the dispenser, where it can act as a substitute as a nurse, and we can also have an automatic billing system in case of outpatients, and in the case of telemedicine, right? In case of telemedicine, it allows one-to-one talking between the patient and the doctor, and that's about it. The limitations will be given by Meghna.
We need a Wi-Fi for the. Yeah, we need a Wi-Fi to take the database from the main server, and the robot is least bothered about the human emotions and his behavior. So these are the limitations of our robot.
this project can be improved and it can be accepted globally, where we can take it for the hospital management and also for the automation of the hospital management. Hope this will help the human society in future. Thanks a lot.